Look at that beauty. Well, thanks.
I can't get it to stay running now. And it was running pretty good last night. But I literally just came over here and I fucking pushed down on the spark plug caps for onto the distributor.
Yeah.
And they were up like 1/4 inch on each one. Each one pushed down.
Huh.
So I was like, oh, maybe the spark? Yeah, I don't fucking know.
You rev it up and try to suck the shit out of the carburetor?
It just, if I try to rev it up, whatever's in the...
No, I'm saying like, you know how you rev it and you stuff a rag in there and it fucking cleans the jets out. If it's any little shit.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't know that. Starter looks brand new too. Probably gonna put gas in there for it to start though. That's what I'm thinking.
Think? Oh, I could choke it with this. You're not getting fuel. Nothing squirting at the accelerator pump. See, he was having fuel issues because he put, that's new. Fuel pump is new.
Mm-hmm.
We can loosen this up and see if you get fuel pumping. Want me to crank it? All you gotta do is see if gas pumps out.
Yeah, there's gas coming out.
So it's definitely getting fuel. You think you ever pulled the top of that carb off?
Probably not.
We can look in there, see if there's shit in there, clean it. They're a pain in the ass. Fucking meter rods. Minty! Look at that. Take a picture of that before we go so you put it on fucking Instagram. People get all mad. Well, you fucking got it running already? Don't floor this son-bitch.
I know.
Because we don't have seatbelts or nothing. Just be easy on her. We'll fix that. Oh.
Good thing the window didn't bust.
Oh man, that's what I was looking for. Power steering works too?
Yeah, it needs fluid though. It's choppy.
Put this fucker on the road. Be driving her tomorrow. Jeep life, boy! What the hell is that? Oh. Minty. Right?
You can feel it in the gas and it's like...
A little boggy.
Yeah, I'll let you drive.
Had to take the door off already, huh?
Well, easier to get in and out.
I would change the fluid in the transmission.
Why, that noise?
Sounds a little dry. Yeah, power steering ain't working too good, is it?
If you blend the power steering, it's slow as shit.
Yeah, I can feel it. She's good, Bubby.
Turns good though.
It does. Yeah, it just doesn't have any power steering. I don't know why that's doing that. Thump, thump. Maybe there's a tight spot. I bet you tighten the gearbox on this. What's that? 31s. 33s will look mint on that thing. Mint, right? You remember me. Oh, you don't know the car.
Shut up.
Found me a nice Allen wrench in the road. Klein tools too. That's a big one. Finding all kinds of goodies on the road today. Oh, it's all there too. All right.